In this video, I'll be explaining how the insertion sort works with this example. We have 6, 4, 5, 2, and 3, and we want to sort it in ascending order, right? So insertion sort divides the array into a sorted partition and then an unsorted partition. So when we are starting, we take the leftmost number as the sorted partition, right? And I will mark it with this. So here is our sorted partition, and then here is our unsorted partition. Now, we look at the next number to it, which is 4. Since we want to sort it in ascending order, 4 has to come before 6, right? So we're going to insert 4 in the right position, and this will give us 4, 6, 5, 2, and 3. So these 3 remain in the same order as they are. Hence, this becomes our new sorted partition. Okay, and here is our unsorted partition. Moving on, now we have 5. Where do you think 5 belongs between 4 and 6? Obviously, 5 belongs in the middle, right? So 4 comes and then 5 and then 6. So we're going to insert 5 in that place. So the keyword here is inserts. Okay, inserts in the right position. And so when we do that, we will have 4, 5, 6, and then 2 and 3, they come in the order that they are. Hence, our sorted partition now is this. Okay, the array is still not sorted in ascending order. Therefore, we have to continue. We look at 2. 2 has to come before 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, we will insert 2 over here. And this will give us 2, 4, 5, 6, and then 3. And this is our new sorted partition. The array is still not sorted in ascending order. We have 3 in the unsorted partition. 3 needs to be inserted over here. That is 3's correct position. Therefore, 3 will be put here, will be inserted here. That is why it's called insertion sort. Insert is the keyword. This gives us 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And as we can see, this array is in ascending order. Okay, let's do one more example. Say we have maybe 10. Let's do 10. My 10 isn't looking good. Say we have 10. No, let's do this. Say we have 1. Okay, we have 1, and then we have 10. We have something like 9, and we have 3. Okay, so we are supposed to sort this array in ascending order using insertion sort. Once again, we're going to start with the leftmost number, okay, and take it as a sorted partition. And everything here is the unsorted partition. Now, between 1 and 10, right, 1 has to come before 10. Therefore, 1 is at its correct position. Hence, our new array actually stays the same. So we have 1, 10, 9, and 3. But our sorted partition becomes this, okay? And then this becomes our unsorted partition. Now we have to look at 9. Where do you think 9 belongs between 1 and 10? 9 needs to be inserted in between them because 1 comes before 9, right? And 9 comes before 10. So our new array becomes 1, 9. This 9 isn't looking good. So 1, 1, 9, 10, and 3. Hence, this is our new sorted partition, and here is our unsorted partition. Okay, so moving on, we have 3. 3 obviously belongs over here, so we are going to insert 3 over here, and this will give us 1, 3, 9, and 10. We can see that our final answer is indeed in ascending order. So that's what insertion sort is all about, right? You have to insert the number at its right position.